Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
So here I have a punch that I wanted to use but found it didn't cut very well, and you may have this issue as well, so I want to show you how you can sharpen one. So I am taking an ordinary piece of aluminum foil from my kitchen. This one happens to be heavy duty, and I'm just going to pretend like that's a piece of paper and go ahead and make a cut with it. And I'll do this multiple times. Okay, so I cut multiple times my piece of aluminum foil, and that should take care of my issue. Now, I pulled out a lot of these circles from the inside of those, and I'll show you what to do with those, so don't throw those out.